And the race is on. Katipunera from the outside. Flores down on the inside. Sadar racing on the outside is Recent Sun. On the further outside is Diamond Dane. Then comes the San Diego. Mary racing in 7th position. Then comes Spread My Wings, Royal Viva, and Take Me Tonight. Sadar, Katipunera, and racing in third by about 3 lengths. Flores alongside Diamond Dane. The San Diego is running in 5th by Daral, taking the 4th spot. Mary racing in 6th, 7th position. Spread My Wings. And nearing the far turn, Sadar by about 2 lines. Katipunera, Flores, Diamond Dane. The San Diego is Spread My Wings by Daral and Mary as they race the last 450. Sadar, Katipunera by Daral, Flores, The San Diego, Mary, and Spread My Wings down on the inside. Sadar, Katipunera, Spread My Wings, the San Diego in between runners. It's now Katipunera and by the Spread My Wings. Sadar, the San Diego, Katipunera, the San Diego on the outside, and finally Katipunera, the San Diego, Spread My Wings, Sadar, Royal Viva.
Mukhang dihading yun ah.